Meta has announced that they're going to launch a new attribution setting. It's called Incremental Conversions. They announced that this is conversions that we believe would not have occurred without the ad being shown. This is in contrast to optimizing for volume, which focuses on driving as many total attributed conversions as possible. So my assumption is that this is going to be a conversion objective that will target people that probably won't buy this unless they see this ad versus people that are going to buy anyways, no matter what, if they see that or not. Not sure how they're going to track this, but that's my assumption. I don't know if that's correct or not, but that'd be kind of a cool feature because it's like, hey, stop showing these ads to people that are already going to buy. Let's focus on the people that will not buy unless they see this ad. Now, they talk about launching this later this year, and they've already tested earlier this year, and advertisers saw an improvement of more than 20% in incremental conversions. So we'll be excited to see this new feature and see what this actually does and what it means.